Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Smita.
How have you been?
I'm doing good,
Okay,
Smita.
so we are here today to discuss basically how we can help the students for all sections, be it IELTS, PT, or OET. How well they can do, or what inputs we can give them so that they perform better from what level they are in their writing skills.
So, Smita, can we have a more specific things like, say, one of the typical problems that we are facing in the institute is about how the students are dealing with the problems of reading.
Okay.
So, what are the typical problems people are facing in reading, and how can we do something about it?
Reading, basically the first mistake I would say that the students do when they are a fresher here in the institute is that they will pick up any book and they will start reading the passage word by word, line by line. This is to be avoided. We are going to give tailor-made techniques which will help them crack their exams, because these are competitive exams of the international level. So what we say is that instead of reading word by word, line by line, as soon as you get the question paper or the text, first understand that you need to do the reverse way. This is a backdoor technique, we will say. Uh, what is a backdoor technique? For the first technique will be to read the question first and then understand it and have an overview of the first two paragraphs initially. Answer is definitely bound to come from these two paragraphs. For example, this technique is not applicable. This is called skimming. The overview, having an overview of the passage or the paragraphs, is called skimming. For example, a student is unable to crack the answer using this technique. The other technique is to find a keyword in the question. Maybe one keyword or two keywords. Okay, I will give an example in some time. So after the keywords are identified, we try to locate them in the paragraphs. Once we locate the keywords, that will lead to the answer in the same sentence. So in this manner, it is much faster rather than reading line by line or word by word and trying to understand and then answer the question. A detailed reading would have taken 5